Traction has the ability to organize contacts. To do this, go to Accounting and find Contacts on the left nav. In my example, you can see quite a few contacts, and you'll see this black trash can or the power button for each one of these contacts. Now, if you have the trash can symbol next to the contact, that means you can easily click on it and delete it from Traction. That usually means you've never posted a transaction to the contact. Now, for the other ones that you have posted transactions to, you can't just simply delete it, but you can inactivate the contact. So if I look at Jake's truck service here, if I don't do any business with that contact anymore, just hit that power button. That will inactivate the account. Now, for some reason, if I want to do business again with that contact and bring it back into Traction, just hit the Show Inactive checkbox. You'll see all the ones in gray here, and then just hit the power button to activate the contact. Now, to add your own contacts, just hit the green Add Contact button. First thing it's going to ask is what entity it belongs to, if you have more than one entity added in Traction. And then what's really important to enter correctly is the category. So if this contact is somebody that you purchase from, go ahead and select Vendor. If it's somebody or business that you sell to, select Customer. Sometimes we see folks not check one of these, and if you don't check one or the other, you may not see that contact from the drop-down list in the purchase screen or the deposit screen. So that's just something to kind of keep in mind. Business name, I'm going to add a new one here and call it Mercer Landmark. And it doesn't have any first name, last name. But what's really important to know that it does type in the display name for you. If for some reason you wanted to have that drop-down list start with Landmark first, you can go ahead and just change it here. The other thing to point out is if you want it spelled this way when you print checks, make sure you have it spelled correctly in this box. It's going to automatically type in this name here for you based on the business name that you type in. So it's going to assume that you want to have all three the same. The phone number, we'll go ahead and type in a phone number. Now you can add more information about this contact by hitting the More button. So the More button has the ability to add addresses here, and I'll just quickly add something in here, and we'll choose Indiana for my drop-down list. If it's a 1099 required, you can hit that drop-down box and select that option. But really, this is how you add contacts into Traction, and just hit the Save and Close. And that contact has been added successfully into Traction.